Farmers are being urged to utilize community seed banks established in various counties to preserve indigenous seeds which are at a risk of extinction. Seed Savers Network, a non-governmental organization, is supporting farmers in preserving seeds while encouraging them to practice organic farming and kitchen gardening to be food secure.
Critics of the proliferation of genetically modified organisms have cited the risks of losing Kenya's indigenous seeds. Studies have shown that 90% of the seeds planted in Kenya are from informal seed systems. In an effort to educate farmers on their importance, Seed Savers Network conducts model fossil analysis to identify the crop species that are at risk of getting extinct and obtain their seed to be stocked. The preserved seeds are then raised through organic farming methods so that they can stay for long and maintain the characteristics of the parent crop.
We have established endangered species or species that have been extinct. So we are coordinating with the National Gene Bank to establish crop accessions which we reintroduce into the communities.
Through the seed banks, farmers are also trained on traditional methods of farming that are pesticide-free and less costly, aimed at improving their nutritional status.
We want to help farmers to have very minimal cost in terms of production in the field, such that when farmers have the ability to preserve their seeds, at planting time they'll not incur any cost. So we are training them to use the available resources.
They are now calling on farmers to have their seeds coded in the community seed banks to eliminate biopiracy and theft of their indigenous seeds.
Tuko na food bank, seed bank ya kuweka mbegu ya kienyeji ili watu wetu wa Msanda Ward wapate kupanda mbegu ya asili ili magonjwa mengi ambayo yanahusikana na chakula cha kizungu isiweze kuwapata.
Itasaidia wakulima wetu kuweka mbegu yao pale, wakati watahitaji kwa upanzi watakuja wachukue.
Ndutamo Kami for Lunchtime News.